so many different kinds of advertising products and LED and a lot this kind of large screen products. Okay. So we are heading to the Meiyad. Yeah, this company. So I would like to know more about this company. Okay. Hello. hello. Nice to meet you too. Okay, so could you just introduce yourself to our audience?
Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Caroline from Meiyad company. This is my colleague Erin. Hello.
Okay. So could you just give a brief introduction about your company to us?
Okay. No doubt, creative product catch the human eyes every time. This time we bring the unique products, especially regarding its shape. Like this one, it's like a tree. We call it tree screen. It has 3 parts. One part here. It's root of the tree. That is made by the P4 outdoor flexible module. This module we used for the Christmas tree for the Hong Kong Ocean Park last year.
You want to show us the event?
If you visit the Hong Kong Park last year, you will like it. It's amazing.
Oh, let's see the video.
The video, yeah. Later, 不是这个，那个另外一个。Okay. Next one, the second part is here, the middle part, like the flower. We do use the P3 flexible module. It's outdoor application, and the size is customized.
Yeah, I think the size of it is pretty special because I've never seen this kind of shape before in this room. Yeah.
Oh, this one is mini size. The big size we show in the festival, National Day Festival event last year in Beijing.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. And the middle one is the third part here.
Okay.
You will see it clearly. What it looks like? Trumpet.
Yeah.
Trumpet. Yeah, it's trumpet.
Yeah.
It's made by the P4 flexible module. That is indoor application.
Wow.
Yeah. Till now, you will find the main key, the key point of the tree screen.
Yeah.
Flexible.
Whoa.
Yes, flexible. Remember it flexible.
Yeah, you can change their shape anytime.
Yes,
yeah.
you can do any size. Some special design.
It is very flexible. You can see that. Yeah. Whoa.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Remember, flexible is Meiyad product's advantage. It's range from the P1.5 to P10. P2 and to the P4 is very popular, but right now, P1.5 and P1.8 is a superstar.
Yeah. So this kind of material, like this, so flexible, will it more expensive than the other traditional?
It's different. It's widely application. It's usually used for the widely kinds of the shopping mall.
Yeah.
Such like the screen cover the chrome, and sometimes it's like the ring hanging in the top of the store, and some special design for decoration.
Wow.
And sometimes it's used for the stage or the exhibition for some special shop.
Yeah.
Erin, come here.
Come on.
Yeah, my colleague Erin will introduce some different to you.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm glad to speaking about our product to you guys at the second day of the ISLE. And here is the set of letter logo screen. It's made by the P4 customized LED panel, and every letter have the same width and at the same thickness and the height, but the difference is the width is different. Yeah. And compared to the traditional light box, it can show more colorful content and have higher brightness.
Yeah. So it is waterproof, right?
Yeah, it's waterproof. Yeah, it's waterproof. We can see it have the water test.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you can just let the video play in this.
Yes, or the video can play in this. Also can play some
Whatever you
text. Yeah, whatever you want.
Advertising.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yes.
Okay. And we will see.
Over there. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Here.
His way. His way is okay.
This way. Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Oh, this screen is so large.
Yeah, this is our P1.8 curved screen. It's made by the P1.8 flexible module.
Wow.
Yeah. We are the first bench of China to make the flexible module.
Yeah, I know. Just from this, I know you are
Yeah.
good at making the material.
Yes.
Flexible material of the screen.
Yes. And this is the 6th generation version product.
Wow.
Yeah, we have much experience in this area.
Ah.
Yeah, so my colleague just show you the samples, right? It's
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
very soft.
flexible,
Yeah,
very
right.
soft and smooth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, let's look there.
I even didn't notice that.
You didn't notice it? We hide.
I just think that it is a lamp. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the Latin LED screen. It's also made by the P4 customized module. Yeah. You can imagine when we meet the Chinese traditional festival. Yeah, how impressive it will be.
This is so special.
Yeah.
And you can show some advertising on there.
Yes. And it's also outdoor. It's
Okay.
also for outdoor.
Well, pretty cool.
So
I'm
next,
back. Okay.
let's Caroline introduce
Okay.
the
Okay.
Here I will introduce you our old friend. This one, donut screen. Last year we showed the P4 in the exhibition, but this time we showed P2. Whatever the pixel pitch, it's still like the donut attract me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here, this size is customized. If you needed another size, you can contact us.
Yeah.
Some brand owner would like to put it on the trade store for display their slogan or logo, whatever. It's still a very good decoration element.
Yeah. Your company could satisfy every kinds of needs from the customer.
Yes,
Yeah.
creative is a very important element.
Yeah.
And here, look at here. This one is outdoor screen.
Yeah.
It's different from the traditional cabinet.
Yeah.
The traditional one is very heavy, and the one cabinet should 2 men.
Yeah,
stronger
and it's
man.
pretty heavy,
Yeah, a stronger man to lift it. But right now, this cabinet only 2 girls.
Whoa.
Only Caroline is very slim, right?
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
worry about it. I can bring it with my colleague Erin to lift one cabinet, because the cabinet is module. The module is cabinets. It's available for the front side and back side service.
Yeah.
And
pretty good.
yeah, it have the 3 kinds of the products for option. One is P6.67, and one is P8, and one is P10.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's only an exhibition, and we can't put everything here. If you are interested about the LED screen, especially creative the products, you can contact Meiyad.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If you want to buy their products, you could just search the names of the company called Meiyad in the ISLE International Exhibition. This WeChat official account. Okay, so thank you for your introduction. And do you have any words to say to your audience and even like potential customers?
Whatever. When you come to China, when you come to Shenzhen, welcome to Meiyad.
Okay.
welcome Meiyad and to our factory to have a look.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. One more questions. Do you think that you have the competitive price compared with other companies' products like this?
Sure. Come here. Contact us. I will offer you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. See you next time. Okay. Goodbye. Okay.